Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and advertise on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have the manage rentals, advertise, help, your profile, and the search bar in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and advertise on Zillow. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So sign up, of course, for the Zillow Premium Agent. So visit the Zillow Agent homepage and click Join, the upper right corner. Then build your profile by adding photos, a compelling about me section, and any relevant professional information. Search for your listing by addresses and click Claim This Home. This will link the listing to your profile and display it on a map below your About Me section. Request advertising details to set up your Zillow Premier Agent account. You can choose to set a budget for paid services to generate leads. Ensure your listing have high quality photos, detailed descriptions, and any additional features like virtual tours. Respond promptly to inquiries and follow with potential clients. And that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. As always, bye guys.